In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your profile picture on Discord mobile. So once you're logged into the Discord mobile app, you want to tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on My Account, and there where you see your profile picture, you can tap on that, and then you want to allow Discord to take pictures and record video. You just allow that. Allow Discord to access photos, you allow that. Then you have a couple of options as to where you want to get the profile picture from. I'm just going to select from my gallery this picture right here. I'm going to select that, and that is my new profile picture. I tap on upload, and then my new profile picture is set. So that is how you change your profile picture on the Discord mobile app. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.